Welcome children to the class. Good morning everybody. Today we will start our second lesson, our basic needs. Needs means the thing we require to survive. Okay ma? What we need. మనకి ఏవేవైతే బతకడానికి కావాలో that are called needs. Those are basic needs. Basic అంటే minimum. అంటే అవి లేకుండా మనము ఉండలేము. So those are called basic needs. So let us see what we need. Human beings, animals and plants, everybody needs something, right? So let us see what human beings need. Human beings need food, clothes, water, home or shelter, sunlight and air. Human beings, they need food to eat and survive. They need clothes. Clothes enduku? Without wearing clothes they can't roam around, right? So they need clothes. Water, what do we do with water? We drink water and we use it for many works like washing, cleaning and all. Home, where do we live without a home? So we need a home. Sunlight, without sunlight can we survive? Without sunlight we cannot survive. It gives us vitamins. We get some vitamins from sunlight and it also is needed to dry clothes and all. Air, why we need air? We need air to breathe. It contains oxygen, so we need air to breathe. Now let us see what animals need. Animals need food, water, air, sunlight and habitat. So animals, they need food. Just like us, they need food to eat. They need water to drink. They need air to breathe. Right children? And sunlight. They need sunlight. Every organism on the earth needs sunlight. Without sun, we cannot survive. And habitat. What do you mean by habitat? Habitat is the place where the animals live. Okay, that is called the habitat. Animals also, they cannot roam around and stay anywhere. Some animals live in forest, some live in with humans, and some they live in sheds and all. So animals also need a shelter, that is a habitat where it lives. And what plants need? Plants need water. First thing is water, and it needs air and sunlight. So plants need water. To prepare food also it needs water. It needs air. Why? From air only it gets carbon dioxide to prepare food. And sunlight. Why it needs sunlight? Sunlight is absorbed by the plants to prepare food. Without sunlight, they cannot prepare food and they cannot survive. So, these are the basic needs of human beings, animals and plants. So, human beings need more. Right children? These are the basic needs. So, now let us learn about the basic needs of human beings. First thing what human beings need is food. Food children. Food makes strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy to study, play. Some food helps us to grow. Milk, fish, eggs and pulses are some which help us to grow. Okay children. So why do we need food? We need food to survive. We need food to grow. We need food to study, play, grow and keep ourselves healthy. So we should have good food. Milk, a complete food. Milk keeps our bones and teeth strong. So why do we need milk? It keeps our bones and teeth strong. Clothes. We all wear clothes. Clothes cover our body. They protect us from heat, cold and rain. Clothes also protect us from dust and dirt. Okay children. So why do we need clothes? It helps us to It covers our body. It helps us to cover our body, and it protects us from heat, cold, and rain. Okay, and it also protects from dust. So there are different types of clothes. Some are cotton clothes, some are woolen clothes. So cotton clothes we wear it in summer. It keeps us cool. Whereas we wear woolen clothes in winter, which keeps us warm. And in rainy season, we use umbrella and raincoats, which protects us from rain. Okay, children. And there are some special clothes also. Those are called uniform, which is worn by the school students. And for some employees also, they give a uniform. Okay. Next, home and shelter. We need a place to live in. This place is called a house. A house keeps us safe from heat and cold. A house keeps us safe from rain and wind. A house keeps us safe from wild animals and thieves. A house is a home where a family lives in it. What is a house? House is where we live together with our family. That helps. The house helps us to protect ourselves from heat and cold. Okay, when we stay in the house, we protect ourselves from sunlight. What is they say, from the winter cold, and from rain also. Okay, and it keeps us safe from animals and thieves. We stay in our house and lock our doors so that no animal come inside and no thieves come inside. So house is a safe place to live in. So let us know about types of clothes. In villages we have kacha houses. Okay, children, kacha houses. See the textbook. This is called as kacha houses. These are not permanent. They are not strong enough. Those are called kacha houses. And in towns we mostly find pakka houses. Pakka houses, these are strong. They are made of concrete. Okay. And these kacha houses, they are made of mud and wood. So they are not that strong as compared to the pakka houses. Okay, children. Pakka houses are made up of bricks, concrete, cement, iron, steel, and wood. Okay, children. This is the lesson. So let us recall what we have learned. Food, clothes, and home or shelter are our basic needs. What human beings needs are food, clothes, water, shelter, sunlight and air. These are our basic needs. Food helps us to grow. What does the food helps us in? It helps us to grow. Clothes protect us from heat, rain and cold. Clothes protect us from heat, rain and cold. We need a home to live in. What is a home? What is a house? It's a home where we live with our family. We need a house to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and thieves also, and wild animals. Houses protect us from bad weather and thieves. Okay, children. Okay, this is the lesson. So let me give you some new words.